I just think that looks like the perfect house that I would want to be in when there was a snowstorm. So I have this beautiful Northern Lights kit from KRODesigns. This is the January kit, and I've already started by rearranging the pages like I like to, with the striped pages and then enough for dailies behind. But I wanted to make a cover for the month, and I've decided that I'm going to take inspiration from the papers. A lot of the times when I'm looking at what I should be doing, sometimes it's a technique that I want to try out, sometimes it's a design. And what inspired me for this one is going to be this house right here. It's going to be like a combination between the houses. So I love the steep roof of this house, but I'm going to be using this brown color and then top it all off with a bird on top. So I'm very much looking forward to it. I am going to be using this paper, although I could use this. This would look fantastic. I think I switched gears. I'm gonna use this for my background paper because I think it would look great. I'm gonna go ahead and get off camera and cut it and come right back. All I do is trim this to 4.5 inches, and it's more than plenty to cover the insert. I don't bother about the tabs, but it's just about perfect when the inserts are reimagined like I like them to. All right, I am going to be using the cover because I thought this would be a good thing to have for my my actually house. So I'm going to do it so there's got to be an angle. Pencil, mark that. So now I know where to put the adhesive. And so I can use a little bit of an X-Acto knife and cut that out. All right, now using this as my guide, I really like the snow cap at the edges. So I have an extra piece of notebook paper from the standard size notebook. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little wiggly, and that's gonna be my snow. Well, that's better. Let's do that. And then I'll put some shading underneath and that'll work. A little blue and these edges here, smooth that out a little bit. Ooh, let's use this and make a chimney. And then, but first what we'll do is we'll take some markers and we'll make it bricky. That's my technical term for bricks. I've gone ahead and cut my chimney. Remember how I was using the just a Crayola markers, really. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And this is going to be where the bird perches. So I kind of picked out some birds, and I want to see where that would be. I think it would look better in the upper third of this. Okay, now I want to put some snowflakes to cover up the KRODesigns. Oh, you know what? I always do. I always put the month. So we're going to put the January sticker. And that's better. I think I am going to put one more that looks like it needs like a little bit of grounding. All right. That looks like just how I want it. A little house, the little bird, and that is all I have. This is going to be my cover for my New Traveler's Notebook. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here, and I might staple, we will see, but I just think that looks like the perfect house that I would want to be in when there was a snowstorm. All right, guys, thanks so much. Bye.